Today's massage moment is a soothing and comforting massage for your feet. We will be gently opening the soles of our feet, the plantar fascia. Easing tension in your arches restores flexibility to your feet. Grasp both sides of your foot. Your fingers will naturally curl to the bottom of your foot, meeting in the center. Press your fingers into the sole of your foot. With gentle pressure, smooth the top of your foot with the whole of your thumbs from center to sides. Work at a level that feels comforting to you. It doesn't take much pressure to affect change. Feel the metatarsal bones spreading. Repeat with the other foot. Imagine yourself walking through the forest. Your feet soft and pliable. Picture them naturally cupping the earth as you step, and lightly springing off as you lift. Feel vividly through your feet to the earth below. Imagine your awareness extending deep through the soil to the tree roots and the mycelial web that feeds them. Feel yourself connected, fully grounded, and yet light on the earth.